What's up, guys? All right, so today unboxing. I really was wanting a new graphics card for gameplay as well as for my Adobe Creative Cloud suite and using it for DaVinci Resolve. So here we go. We're going to do the unboxing right now. So here it is, the RTX NVIDIA 2080 Ti. This is from ASUS. I went with this card basically because of the protective backplate, and let's be honest, this was the only one that was in stock. These things are like hotcakes right now, everywhere. They're just being sold out. Beautifully packaged. And there it is, sitting pretty. Of course, on the bottom of this, it has your graphics card instructions for installation and a DVD. Wow, this is one thick graphics card. Holy cow. All right, so just so I can compare the size of this real quick before I get into what inputs this baby has, I pulled out my GTX 1080, and as you can see, just the size, how thick this is. So here's the RTX, and here is the 1080 on top. This baby has protected backplate, 2.7 slot design, hence the thickness of it. Dual blade fans, supposed to be is so extremely quiet. It has 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, and a Type-C compatible for VR. So here it is. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to insert this into my computer case, and hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, then I have another one on standby that I will just transfer everything over to and just build from scratch from there. But I'm really excited to see how this performs. I'll give you guys an update. If you guys want to see a video on it, again, leave comments below and I'll make one for you guys. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. And besides that, my friends, I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't fail me. Not even close.